people in the Caribbean. At the same time, we are the best dancers, the best baseball players. The last but not least, we are the worst drivers in the Caribbean. The population here, we are 10 million.
Wow. Oh my God.
10 million. 4 million of them, they are under 18 years old. The average here is 5 kids per couple. For example, me, we are 14 brothers and sisters. Woo! My father, he loves it. One of my neighbors, there are 19 brothers and sisters. Woo! And today, we are going to see a big mama, 26 kids.
Wow.
Here, the average is 5 kids per couple. Okay? 53% of Dominicans are women. 40% of them, they have a baby under 18 years old. The Dominican women every single night, they drink agua juice. Agua is a sour and ugly fruit. Every night they drink agua juice as a birth control. But it doesn't work. So the women here, the Dominican women, they never drink passion fruit juice when they are pregnant. Because if he's a boy, if she drinks passion fruit, he will be gay. Too late. Too late. The life expectancy here is 79 years old. Okay? The Dominicans, we love to dance merengue, bachata and salsa. We love to drink beer, rum and marijuana. Every single night that we want to dance and drink, we go to the car wash. The car wash at night time is a discotheque. It's loud music. The Dominicans, we love the loud music. More loud and more better. Okay? That's why inside the car wash, it's impossible to talk. Then the Dominicans, we use our hands as a communication. Also, we have the facial expression. Okay? For example, inside the car wash, it means 1 beer. Rum and coke. 2 rum and coke. Rum and Sprite. Let's dance. Eat. Okay? I love you. If the girl is agree, she has to do this. If not, then she will show me one of her fingers. Everywhere. That is how the car wash. Estaban diciendo a ella.